The history of virology. Virology is a scientific study of viruses and viral infection. Virology is a new science that began in the late 19th century with studies performed by Dmitry Ivanovsky and Martinus Beijerinck. Before this time, viruses had not yet been discovered or classified, even though Louis Pasteur and Edward Jenner had developed vaccines against some of the diseases caused by viruses. Viruses themselves were still unknown at this point in time. Many of the viral infections were thought to be caused by a bacterial agent. The hunt was on to find disease-causing agents. The isolation of bacteria involved a process called filtering. Viruses are about 10 times smaller than bacterial cells, so scientists knew that the disease-causing agent was smaller than the bacterial cells that they were collecting using the filters of the day. The challenge was then to make a filter that had pores that were tiny enough to trap these extraordinarily tiny disease-causing particles or organisms. These tiny disease-causing particles were later to be identified as viruses. In order to accomplish this task, Pasteur and Chamberlain created the new filter that they conveniently called the Pasteur-Chamberland filter. This filter was able to trap viruses. In 1892, Dmitry Ivanovsky filtered the sap from a diseased tobacco plant and discovered that the filtrate was able to infect a healthy tobacco plant with the same disease. Independently, Martinus Beijerinck discovered the same virus while conducting similar experiments in 1899. Beijerinck described the filtrate as a contagious living liquid that acted like a poison or virus. The word virus comes from the word poison. This is how viruses got their name, and the field of virology was born. Thank you for watching.